Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I thought it would be a neat idea to show you that instead of using PowerPoint for presentations, you can also use a tool like Power Apps. So I'm just going to jump right into it and show you how you can almost make um, just presentations that will automatically run. You don't have to click next slide or you just click play like you normally would in PowerPoint, I guess. But there's a lot more functions and features, and you can call data in. You can do more live stuff during the presentation in a Power App that you wouldn't be able to do in PowerPoint. So to jump right into it, we're going to add a background image to this vertical app. Um, okay, let's go with a Christmas theme here again. So let's say we want a brief presentation to show you something. So uh, let's get some lines of text. How about, have you ever wondered what Santa really looks like? Well, you're about to find out, and then boom, then Santa comes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some text labels for our text, and nobody can see that. We're going to put 25 at least for the text. We'll put it in the middle. Let's give us a Christmassy theme. I don't like it, so alright, let's do that. Change our text from maybe black to white, might stand out a little more. Make it semi-bold. Okay. Let's go with bigger text. Let's go with 40 text. Let's go with 35. Okay. So the first one is going to be, have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered? Okay, we'll put that right up there. You ever wondered? Then we're going to put another one right on top. What Santa looks? What Santa really looks like? We'll put another, we'll put 3. Okay, we'll copy and paste that. Well, get ready. Because you're about to find out. Alright. And then we will pull in our image of Santa Claus. Old Kris Kringle. What do we need? We need to insert a media image. That image bigger. And I think I have an image of Santa. Yes. Santa Claus. Boom. Right there. Alright, and now you, obviously I've stacked all of these on top of each other for a purpose. There is a purpose, a method to this madness, believe it or not. Okay. Well, we can't have that not centered. Okay. That'll be good. All right, so this first one, have you ever wondered, this is going to only be visible on var, oh, var timer 1. So in this screen, I'll show you var timer 1. The second one is only visible on var timer 2. The third one is only going to be visible on, you guessed it, var timer 3. And Santa is only visible on var timer 4. Okay. And in this screen, the reason the var timers were coming up is because I had already put these update context variables on the on visible part of the screen. So anytime you would click into the screen, these are going to set themselves like so. So you see var timer 1 false, 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 but then var timer 1 again, now we're making it true. So we're setting it false first to then change it to true. So that will allow the first one. Why do we see Santa Claus? Is var timer 4 currently true? It must be. So let's click out of that and then back in. Okay, so perfect. So that's exactly how it should be. So I clicked out of the screen and then back in. So the on visible property set that first one to true. So now we need a series of timers to control the variables, basically to when to set the variables. We are going to go to timer. Wow, they sure make it so you can see it. Jesus. Let's say 25. Alright, so our first timer, this would be 60 seconds. So each 1,000 is a second. So we only want like maybe 4 seconds before it switches between text. So we'll say that's going to, we're going to auto start this first one. So we don't even need to use a variable. So we're going to auto start the first one to then, when the timer ends, it's going to set, or it's going to update context var timer 2 to true. Oops. I meant to hit the squiggly and in parentheses. So it's going to set the var timer 2 to true. Oh, but we need to set the current one to false. So let's say update var timer 1 false, var timer 2 true. Okay. Oh. This timer auto starts. Okay. So now we need another timer, and I'm not going to copy and paste because we don't want it to auto start. Timer, again, we're going to make 4 seconds long. This one starts on var timer 2. So var timer 2 is when it starts, And on the end, that's where we kind of use the other timer. We use this same concept, but we switch this to var timer 2, and then we set var timer 3 false. So now this button we can copy and paste, and we have to simply go in and change our on timer end. Whoa, okay, on timer end 3 and 4. And of course our start for this one would be var timer 3. And I believe that should do it, because then that sets our the fourth variable that should be showing Santa Claus. So if you can see, we got these ugly timers here that we don't need visible at all, so we are going to make them not visible. Just turn the visible property to off. You can click the item either on the screen on the tree view here, or you can go into the properties and then just type false for visible. So alright, so we should have an app that works. I need to click out of the screen and then back into the screen. Oh, let's start this off right. Have you ever wondered, should last 4 seconds, what Santa really looks like? Well, get ready, because you're about to find out. Boom! And just like that, we have an app that runs off of timers and variables, but this is just a simple, quick demonstration on what you could really piece together for a presentation. You could really make something cool within Power Apps. Anyways, I appreciate your time. I don't want to take up too much of it. I hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.